Hi, hello mga langga. So finally, just arrived here in hotel, and I'm here for resting for a while. Yeah, so I need to rest because this last week so busy. I get tired, so that's why I need to rest. So let's go, guys. I wanna tour. Let's uh show you the hotel. Okay, so look at the hotel. Look at the bed. It's so nice. Yeah. And yeah. So anyway, not bad. So there's a mirror over there. Mirror and yeah. Look at the and let the check the toilet. This room is this hotel price is very affordable. Yeah, there's a TV. So this is 700 pesos only. So not bad. Hmm. And